Could you recite the alphabet from start to finish without singing it?
Yeah.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
A, C, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, F, N, G, H, I, C, K, L, M, N, O, P, H, Q, E, S, H, Q, E, S, I, T, E.
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, D, A, R, J, K, I, M, N, O, P, Q, R, X, I, M, N, O, P.
Tell us something your mum doesn't know. Yeah.
Well, I want you to say the alphabet backwards from Z to A.
I wouldn't even be able to do that if I was sober.
Okay. Yeah. Can you just put the lightsaber away for us first?